Success isn't simply about wanting something badly enough. It's about getting the different parts of your brain to work together as one integrated system. You see, real wealth starts with reprogramming the way you think about money. So think of it this way. Your prefrontal cortex, right here, knows exactly what you want. Your limbic system determines how you feel about it. And your basal ganglia controls the habits and the behaviors that you repeat every day. And your subconscious mind stores your identity, your deepest beliefs about who you think you are. And remember, we can change our thoughts. So for lasting success, all four systems have got to be aligned. And when they are aligned, something really remarkable happens. Your brain becomes coherent. All lines up. You enter what psychologists often call the flow state. And decisions become easier. Actions feel much more natural. And you stop fighting yourself and you start moving effortlessly towards your goal. But when those systems are pulling in different directions, your brain experiences internal conflict. One part of you wants success, another part of you fears the success. One part of you wants change, another part of you wants to stay safe. And that's when you experience procrastination, self-sabotage, negative self-talk, inconsistency, and competing priorities. And this is why so many dreams quietly disappear. Not because people don't care enough, but because their brains are running contradictory programs. You can get that. A brain that lacks coherence burns through willpower like a battery that never gets recharged. And eventually motivation fades, not because the goal isn't important, because it is, but because the brain is working against itself. And so here's the fact. If you don't consciously upgrade your subconscious identity, reshape your belief patterns, install new habits, and learn how to regulate the emotions that naturally accompany change, the odds of reaching a significant goal become dramatically smaller. Like I said, not because you're incapable and not because you're not intelligent, but because your neural wiring in your brain is constantly pulling you in opposite directions and all over the place. And that's exactly where I help my clients change. I don't teach just goal setting. I teach brain training. And together we install a new identity. We strengthen your empowering beliefs. We build productive habits and create the emotional resilience that matches the future that you want to live. It's got to be coherent. And when those pieces come together, your entire brain begins supporting your success instead of resisting it. Just imagine a world-class orchestra and every musician is reading the same score, following the same conductor, and playing in perfect harmony. Or picture your favorite band performing live, where every instrument sort of blends seamlessly into one incredible performance. That's what brain coherence feels like. And if you've ever experienced flow, you already know how different it is. Things sort of seem to happen with less effort. Creativity increases, decisions become clearer, momentum builds. It's sort of the green lights that come on all over the place. And that's the hidden advantage that so few people understand. Now, the small percentage of high achievers who consistently reach extraordinary goals, they're not necessarily smarter, but they've simply learned how to bring their brain into coherence and spend more time operating in the flow. So I want to leave you with one final thought. Think about it. Every healthy human brain is built from exactly the same operating system, just as every car is designed around the same basic mechanical principles. Now, the difference is not the equipment. The difference is that some people learn how to train and how to optimize their brain more effectively than other people. And that one skill can completely change the quality of a person's life, including your own life.